welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So, it's time to do my last eBay haul to complete my, what is that? Oh my. Did you hear it? It's a motorcycle.
Oh
My gosh. Okay. So this is going to complete my safari collection of all the animal prints I was looking for. I wanted to have one of each kind that Dooney did, and some of course, my Coach pieces. I don't know when this video is going to be up, either before or after, but I've been buying a lot of exotic and Coach animal prints to complete my month here on YouTube platform. Of course, I am not going to be gone forever, guys. I'll be back in January, so make sure you are subscribed, hit that notification, and come follow me on Instagram. If you miss me, I am going to be active there throughout the month. So, I do have some of my beauties here on the table, and I wanted to complete this set, so I had to, guys. So this is a eBay find. Look at how gorgeous this bag is. It was in a box, but the box got ruined, so I took it out and I stuffed it. It was a little dry when I got it. It is pre-owned. I said it was pre-owned on the listing, but I just wanted it for my collection. I've been hunting this giraffe for a while, trying to find a nice piece. That's, of course, it's going to be, this is a vintage one. It's going to be used. I doubt you can find a new one. What is that?
Oh, is he back?
I don't know what that is. Excuse all the noise in the back, guys. I'm trying to get through my video as peacefully as possible.
Our windows are closed, by the way.
It is closed, yeah. So, as I said, I was hunting down the giraffe to complete my, this is a safari. These are also part of Dooney Exotics, guys. Of course, I have the cheetah. This is the zebra here. I do believe these are the same bags. Yes, they are the same bags. So you can still find some of these beautiful examples of the vintage Dooney, the animal prints on eBay. This is where I found this one. I did a lot of research, and this was as close to really good quality and condition as I could find for the price. I didn't pay much for it. I think we settled on $50 plus shipping, which I think is really good for a Dooney bag. Now the inside is a little stain, but I don't mind because it's a pen stain. I know those are hard to get rid of. But the outside is in really, really good condition for its age. I did, as I said, it was a little dry. I did lotion and give it a nice bath, and it dried up so beautifully. It's so lovely, guys. I had to have it for my collection to complete my time here on YouTube for the year. Of course, I'm coming back in January. Don't forget that, guys. I'm just saying bye for now. And for my animal prints, I love it. I don't know the name of this silhouette or this bag. I'm calling it a double pocket satchel and giraffe. Again, it is a Dooney and Bourke, part of their, I think this was safari or something of that sort. Look how nice the zippers are, guys. One thing the Dooney is known for is the zippers. Look at that. I love the dark coloring on the strap. Now this strap does come apart, so I can take this off if I don't like to use it as a shoulder bag and make it into like a kind of like a crossbody or a shoulder, because this is something I would hold like this. So I can remove it if I need to. I do have, of course, many straps I can use with it. It is a darker trim. The beautiful zebra I've had for a while. Now this one has a red trim on it, but this one doesn't have the red trim. It has the dark brown with the giraffe spots. Are these called spots? I don't know what these are called.
Yeah.
The giraffe coloring. I think it's gorgeous in person. I don't know if my camera is doing it any justice, so I did stuff it inside. It does have a pocket in the back, and in the front here it has that small unusable for the lifestyle we have now, that little phone pocket. I just put my glasses in there, that's about it. It is red, kind of spotted, but it was very clean. The whole bag was very clean. I'm very happy with it. I left her very nice feedback. If you're on here on my YouTube and I bought this from you, I want to say thank you. It's a very nice example guide. So I just wanted to do this one last eBay haul with you guys of my Giraffe, Dooney and Bourke. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're enjoying my last month here with all these fun and beautiful animal prints. I do have I don't know. Well, I don't know when this is gonna come up, but I think after this you'll still see maybe a what's in my bag and a I want to say an unboxing of the exotics. That video is still coming up. So please make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't. And I'm only taking a little breather, guys. I will be back in January, so don't go anywhere. Hit that notification. And if you haven't, go watch my other videos. I have a whole lineup of wonderful videos. And I want to say thank you to everyone again. And I will see you guys in January. Mwah. Bye.